Welcome to another Con Tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're exploring some creative garden fencing ideas that will elevate your outdoor space. From functional to fabulous, let's dive into these inspiring options. First up, vertical garden fencing. This not only provides a boundary, but also allows you to grow plants upward, saving space and adding greenery. It's a beautiful way to enhance privacy while nurturing your garden. Next, consider lattice panels. They add texture and are perfect for supporting climbing plants like ivy or clematis. Lattice offers a light, airy feel while providing a bit of privacy. How about using reclaimed wood? This eco-friendly option adds character and warmth to your garden. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose materials while giving your space a rustic charm. Colorful painted fences can brighten up your garden. Choose a bold color that complements your plants or go with a whimsical design. It's a fantastic way to express your personality and creativity. Consider bamboo fencing for a tropical vibe. It's sustainable, durable, and offers a unique look that blends well with natural landscapes. Perfect for creating a serene garden atmosphere. Lastly, consider a living fence. Planting a row of shrubs or trees can create a natural boundary while providing habitat for wildlife. It's an environmentally friendly choice that adds beauty year-round. There you have it. These creative garden fencing ideas can transform your outdoor space into a stunning retreat. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Con tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.